Let's start with public chat, which is what we're going to deal with today. The content of public chats are visible and accessible to all TradingView visitors. To open the public chat window, just click the icon in the dock on the right side of your screen. This is the icon right here. Clicking this icon will open the list of public chats. Select the chat you want to participate in and off you go. Clicking it again will toggle the visibility of the chat window. If you want to search for a particular chat room, click the magnifying glass and enter what you're looking for in the search box that appears just below. This is the magnifying glass, and this is where you type it in. Now, don't forget to click the three dots to open the settings window. This is the three dots. You click on it and to open the settings window for chats, where you have a lot of different options you can explore. You can see the options here. They are right here. Sound on every message on address to me, messages, no sound notification. These are the options. Now, what is in a public chat message? Every chat message contains information about the person who posted it. Contains their avatar, their username, and their subscription status, that is their badge. Other than that, you will also see the name of the instrument the user is looking at, the time frame, and when the message was posted. For example, you can see it right here.